Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today's video is going to be a super easy math and subtraction word problem worksheet. So come join us, guys.
Come, it's going to be really easy and fun.
All right, friends, let's start with our addition word problems. I think it's not just addition. I think it's going to be addition and subtraction. So what I'll do is I'll read the problem, Emmy girl, and then you help me solve it, okay?
Okay.
All right, so it says Kendra has 12 pink stickers and 6 blue stickers. How many stickers does Kendra have all together? What is the word all together? Are we adding, subtracting? What are we doing?
Adding, because all together makes me know.
Makes you mean that you're putting it all together, so you're adding.
Yeah.
Okay, so we have 12 plus 6 equals, can we figure out this equation, please? How would you figure out this equation?
So we add 12.
Okay, you gonna do counters?
And if we switch it over, it still will equal the same thing.
Good job.
But now of subtraction.
Right. All right, so let's do our counters.
Addition.
You're absolutely right about that.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Okay, now we gotta add 6.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
All right, take your time and count them all up so you don't miss any.
1,
Good job.
2,
Right.
3,
Right.
4, 5, 6,
Good.
7,
Good.
8,
Keep going.
9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18.
Ding, 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 ding. 18. So Kendra has 18 total stickers. Very good. She has 18. So that's how we break down the problem and solve it. We get our two parts of our equations. We figure out if it's addition or subtraction. We put it together and we use counters, okay? Let's do that for all 3 of these problems right here, okay?
Okay.
All right, it says, Jaden found 8 seashells on the beach. Billy found 12 seashells. How many more seashells does Billy have than Jaden? Is this subtraction or addition? We want to find how many more seashells.
Oh, addition?
Nope, because I'll be adding them together. In order to find the difference in something, you have to subtract it away. That's okay. So when we want to find, if I have 5 crowns and you have 3, I want to know how many more I have, so I have to subtract them. Okay, so we start with the bigger number.
Oh.
Billy has 12.
Yeah.
And Jalen has 8. So if we subtract Billy's 12 from Jalen, we'll know how many's left over and how many more he has than him, okay?
Okay.
So let's go ahead and do your counters.
1, 2,
Good job.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
What do we do now?
We take away 8.
Good job. Absolutely. And
1,
go ahead. I'll explain to you when you're done.
2,
Go. Yep.
3, 4,
Right.
5,
Good job.
6,
2 more.
7, 8.
Count the rest. How many we have left over?
1, 2, 3, 4.
4. So he has 4 more than him. So what you need to practice are those sight words in math.
Sight
When
words
you
in
see,
math?
when you hear difference, that means subtraction. When you hear certain words, those are your keys to know if it's subtraction or addition, okay? A little confusing, and the more we practice, the more you'll get it, okay?
Okay.
All right, so I'll read number 3 to you. You ready? We're halfway done, guys. Everyone's doing good. Let's go. Let's focus. We got this, right? Ready? There are 16 students in the classroom. 9 of them are girls, and the rest are boys. How many students are boys? So is this subtraction or addition? We want to find the remainder, what's left over. So we don't want to put them all together. We want to do the opposite of putting them all together.
Oh, subtract.
Subtraction. So we know that there's 9 girls. So there's 16 total students. So you and all your friends in your classroom, there's 16 of you guys. 9 of you guys are girls. You're one of those. You're a girl.
Yeah.
So let's subtract 9 girls from the total students in the room. How many are boys? Well, now we have to do the equation. Go ahead and do the equation for me. How do we figure that out?
1, 2, 3. We draw counters
Love
of
it.
16. And
Okay.
we keep going 9.
Okay, let's do it. Go ahead. So 3. I'll count with you. Go.
4,
Yep.
5,
6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Good. Let's take away 9. Let's see how many boys there are. 1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
Go ahead. 3 more.
7,
Right.
8, 9.
How many are left? We took away 9. How many boys are left?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
All right. Don't say it. Oh, God. All right. So there's 7 boys left. All right. Regain your focusness. You good?
Yeah.
You got your laugh out?
Yeah, I got my laugh out.
Okay, good, good. 16 minus 9 equals 7. So the answer to the test would be there are 7 boys are students.
7.
All right. last problem. You ready? Make some room for Daddy. Let me in here. Let me
Okay,
write.
let's go.
All right. Jessica brings 5 cupcakes. Anna brings 11 cookies. Ooh, this one's hard. And Pam brings 2 pies to the bake sale. How many baked goods did they bring in total?
Oh, so this is not subtraction. This is addition.
So we have to do what? We have to add all 3 of these up, you think, or
Yeah.
no? Right, okay.
So 5
Okay, 5
plus 11
11
plus
plus.
2.
Good job. You have addition. You know all the sight words for addition. You need to learn the sight words for subtraction.
Okay.
That's fine. All right, so let's do this problem. Write your counters a little bit smaller in this one. So we have
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Now we
then
do
add
11. Go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
Good job. Whew. Take a breath.
Me too.
Oh, I'm out of breath. 2 more.
1, 2.
Count them all up. Don't miss any.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18.
18 total baked goods. We're gonna have a party with all these baked goods. That's a lot of baked goods. Which one's your favorite? Cookies, cupcakes, or pies?
Cookies.
Cookies, me too.
Cookies.
Depends what pies.
Yeah.
Pies are good during Thanksgiving and Christmas.
Yeah.
Cupcakes, I don't really like cupcakes.
Me either.
You like your daddy.
Like I don't.
Good job,
I
kid.
don't really like the frosting.
All right, guys, I hope you guys had fun. Some math word problems for elementary school level. Keep learning, keep practicing them. Love you guys. Like the video, subscribe. Bye, sweetie.
Yeah. Bye.